Imagine talking to a bird. You know what? I talk to birds too. Don't worry. My senpais are birds. Alright. Let's teach you how to fish. Yatta! Fishing ikuzo! Yes! Yes! I got a new type of fish! Bahkan nggak butuh umpan. Is that a virus? Wah, siapa yang bilang mirip kok? Nggak boleh kayak gitu. Ini bukan virus. 4G. What? Does it have a signal? Oke. Ya, neko da. Neko-chan. Neko-chan da. And it's gray. We have a gray cat. Zeta bukan. Bukan aku. Bukan aku. Nampol, bukan aku. This is your fish collection screen. Oh, fish collection. Oh. Ini kok ada buset, ada paus. Yang bener aja. Mancing paus pakai HP. Zecretary, you have to jump. Zecretary, I'm using it as bait. Maybe then the whale will come. By the way, kalau join membership harus mempersembahkan ikan. Kalau nggak boleh join. Buset. Meow. Oh, I wanna go to space. This foolish bird. You what? Nah, hidoy. Kasar bener. Dare. Who is this young man? Mirip Omela. Damn. Have you ever heard of the blue fish of happiness? I've heard of the blue bird of terror. The one on the left. That's it. That's how we're getting a house. A small wish? You fool! Again, stop. Hello. Stop berating me. Let's get there. I'm getting bullied. Aduh. Dadah.